In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase or decrease the space between a bullet point and the accompanying text in Google Docs. Adjusting this space might seem like a small detail, but it can impact the readability and overall presentation of your document, especially if you're working on projects that require precise formatting like reports or promotional materials. First, let's open Google Docs and find the document where you want to make these changes. If you haven't started a new document yet, that's okay too. You can set this up for any new bullet points that you may add later. Once you're in your document, go to the section with the bullet points or create a new bulleted list by selecting the bulleted list icon from the toolbar. To access the formatting options, click on the Format menu at the top of the page. This drop-down menu is where Google Docs houses all of its text styling and formatting commands. Hover over the bullets and numbering option, and this will present you with more specificity. Choose List Options to dig deeper into the details of how your bullets are presented. Within List Options, you'll see another submenu appear. Click on More Options, which will then open a dialog box specifically for customizing your lists. In this dialog box, you'll find the precise controls for list indentation, which dictate the space between your bullet point and the text. Next, under the indentation section, look for Left and Hanging. Left controls the overall indentation of the text, while Hanging specifically adjusts the space between the bullet point and the text. To increase the space, you'll adjust the hanging column to a higher value, making sure that you differentiate between the two, otherwise you might inadvertently shift your entire list. If you want to decrease the space, you'll do the opposite by lowering the value. Keep an eye on the small preview in the dialog box. This gives you an immediate visual representation of your changes, so you don't have to commit to a setting blindly. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks in the preview, go ahead and click OK to apply these changes to your document. An additional tip: if you want these settings to apply to future bullet points you create in the document, ensure you're not highlighting any specific text when adjusting. This way, your new settings will become the default for new lists created within that session. It's always a good practice to scroll through your document after applying such changes, making sure everything is uniformly formatted and pleasing to the eye. And there you have it. Now you know how to customize the space between your bullet points and text in Google Docs, a simple yet powerful way to elevate your document presentation. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting with Google Docs' numerous formatting possibilities to make your work shine.